just like while loop we discussed previously. For loop in Python is used to repeat a block of code specific number of times. Let's understand through an example. Let's say we need to print these two lines for 5 times. Using loops, whether it is while loop or for loop, it can be done quickly, without repeating the same code multiple times. In place of I in for loop, you can use any other letters or words in terms of variable name as per your choice. You can also use underscore as a variable name in for loop. You have seen this range function we are using in for loop. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers, starting from 0 by default, and increments by 1 by default, and ends at a specified number. Range function can have 3 arguments. If range function has 1 argument, the argument represents the stop value. The start argument is optional, and if not specified, it is by default 0. Let's see an example of range function with 1 argument. This program will print numbers from 0 to 7 minus 1, which is 6. The rule for range function is it always run till stop value minus 1. Second case, if range function has 2 argument, the first argument represent start and second argument represent stop value. Let's understand through an example. In this example, we have set the range from 3 to 9. So in output we will get printed numbers from 3 to 9 minus 1, which is 8. Third case, if range function has 3 argument, the third argument represents the step value. The step value means the difference between each number in the sequence. It is optional, and if not provided, it is default to 1. Let's understand through one example. As you can see, in this example, as the third value or the step value is 2, so in the output values will jump 2 numbers. Means, the output will be 1, 3, 5, 7, till 19. You can also print the output values in reverse orders by giving the step value as negative and interchanging the start and stop value. Any negative step value can be given as per requirement -1, -2, etc. That's all for this video. We will continue this DSA series. By the time, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Comment down your suggestions. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.